So I didn't do shit yesterday. I was just really bogged down and tired, but I'm cranking today. I feel great. And I'm going to put the motor and trans in here. I didn't say this probably before, but I'm going to make a rear wing to hold my rear light. And I need to mock that up. And one of the things I was struggling with is how to match the curve of the roof right there for it to sit on there and be flat. So I bought a laser yesterday so I can set it up here and laser a line there, and then I can taper the line and make that curve and transfer that to one of those and start making a template to make a box. And a good friend of mine, Jordan, has a bunch of sheet metal work. He's a professional sheet metal guy, and he's claiming, well, he says he can make it pretty easy. So we're gonna work out some designs, and maybe that'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? But yeah, that's where we're at. But I'm afraid James has been sick the last couple days, and I'm afraid he's gonna call me and be like, bring your car over. And I don't have the engine or trans in. So I'm gonna throw that stuff in there, so at least that part's done. And if he calls me, I can be like, yeah, cool, I'll just hook it up and throw it on the trailer real fast and send it over. So that's my goal today, get the engine trans in. I'm going down to the flight school today. There's a free ground class, and so I want to get this stuff done. I got to do a nice walk at like noon-ish before I come home and eat. I'm going to cook my food. I got a lot of stuff on my plate, but we're going to get after it. Here we go. All right, that's in. I know it was days of making mounts and all that stuff, but it's in there. And it's not in there for the final time. I'm gonna pull it out again. I'm probably gonna send it to get checked before I put this whole thing back together, but for mock-up purposes, it's in. All right, now let's get this motor out. Hopefully, when I put this in there, I was smart enough to do it in a way that's going to make pulling it out easy. I think I did. Oh, yeah. The rabbit exhaust, that's where it hides. All right, I gotta find somewhere to put this. How about right here where I put everything else? Perfect. All right, let's see if this is gonna come right out. Oh, gosh. Oh, man. Oh. I should remove this stuff so it doesn't get messed up. Just while I do that. I have it on a pipe. It's a little easier. You see the pipe down there? Oh, this thing is filthy. It's been sitting underneath the whole bench here for, dang, like 2 years. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, it's got like motor mounts already started on it. That's kind of bitchy. Look at that. Huh. All right, well, wiring schematic. We should put this somewhere safe. I'm going to put it in my workbench over here. Okay, how am I going to move this thing around like this? I need to get it on some wheels. Let me think. Can I get it on these wheels? I don't remember how I did this before. It's been a while, but I got it in here somehow by myself. Did I have a pallet jack? I don't own a pallet jack, so it couldn't have been that. Jeez. Oh, it's got an alternator on it. Sweet. Okay. Huh. Is there pit points on this motor? Why does this one not have pit points on it? That kind of sucks. It's weird. Why doesn't it have anywhere to pick it from? I gotta get this thing off of this pallet so I can start putting the clutch stuff on. Do I have to get my engine hoist out from the sea container? Let me figure this stuff out. I'll tune back in just a little bit. Okay, this probably seems crazy because I'm just hanging it off of that. But I have a lot of faith. I did a bunch of research to see how much all this stuff could handle, and it can handle this. So I'm gonna get this thing on some wheels, some proper wheels. So I can put the adapter kit on the back of it. So I'm gonna throw it on these wheels here. Looks like we're gonna need a 2x4 or something to go across that side. Let's see, I got a 2x4 around here somewhere. Oh, dude. Leg day is no joke. My legs hurt so bad. I know I had some 2x4s hanging around here somewhere. What did I do with them? Oh, there's right there. All right. So here, we're gonna set this thing down on here. Hopefully it'll be high enough for me to be able to work on it. Not like high, super high like a Chiave after lunch, but high enough for me to work on it at least. Oh, that must be where that little plate goes. That's bitching. I need this to hang off the end so I can get around it. I'm gonna set y'all down for a second. My hands are getting dirty. It's sort of sketchy. This one actually gets a hard load. It's not when it's hanging up when you're like bumping it up and down. So I'm gonna try and do this in one smooth operation. Oh, it really could not have gone better than that. Look at that. See, I can get to all that stuff now. Cool. I'm gonna leave all this on there because it's probably how I'm gonna get it back in the car. Great. This could be a pain in the butt to get in the car with this. Maybe I'll bring my lift over. It's just so handy. Go back to your home. All right. Well, this has been the engine's bed for a long time, like 2 years, maybe even more, maybe like 3 or 4 years. So it's good to have it moving somewhere. And I cleaned it off a little bit, just blew it off with the old leaf blower over there. But I'm gonna go take a walk and then I'm gonna put the adapter plate on this before I have to go to my next deal. Okay, cool. See you guys in a little bit. That lens is terrible. All right, so I'm just kind of test fitting things right now. I got the engine over here and you had to put these studs on the adapter plate. And this, so I'm just testing it to make sure it slides in nice and beautiful into that there, onto the transmission. And it looks pretty darn good. So next I'll bolt this onto the engine. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now or not, but I don't think I am. I'm gonna pick up the pressure plate and clutch tomorrow. But I can put that on after. It's not a big deal. I'd like to get this engine on so that if James calls me, I told you guys this already, it's ready to go. So, yeah. I might put the adapter plate on here real quick. It won't take me long. It won't take me but a few minutes. I'll do that real quick and then I'll call it a day. Well, obviously I got a little bit carried away. Engine's in. See how fast that happened. Well, anyways, there it is. I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready to go down to the airport for some free ground training. See you guys tomorrow.